In this video, I'll show you how to register your Starbucks card online. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, I'm here at starbucks.com and I'm going to log into my account, so do that as well. So for us to be able to register your Starbucks card that you have, your physical card, all right, so all you gotta do is hover here. You need to create an account for that, and once you've registered that in the website, you'll be needing an email address for you to link on it and click. Once you've put the email address, you will receive a verification email such as like this one. Click on verify now, all right, and then you will be hovered into a different page right here. This is where we going to put our card that you have, right? Say for example, add a card, right? So you need to put your card number and the security code, all right? This is the part where you register your Starbucks card online. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.